Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video, another new great open source project which is the Calibri. What is Calibri? It is a tiny inference engine which will help you to run a big model inside your small VRAM space laptop or desktop. So if I just show you the description, so just read this description. Run GLM 5.2, which is 744 billion mixture of expert model on a 25 GB RAM consumer machine, and it is written purely with C language and zero depths experts streamed from disk and tiny engine immense model. So they are saying that for a GLM 5.2 kind of model, which is a big large model 744 billion, normally all of the inference engine that are available, if you want to load this model, then you need a high VRAM laptop or desktop, right? And normal home computer, all of that we use, that don't have this kind of space or this much space, right? So they are saying that if you want to run this kind of big model, then use our Calibri tiny inference engine, because we have this kind of facility. So how they are actually loading such a big model inside your 25 GB RAM laptop or desktop? Here you see, if you have around 25 GB of RAM, then you can easily run this GLM 5.2 744 billion para model. Basically this is the process. So here actually they have divided the whole system of your laptop or computer space, and we have the GPU, we have the RAM, and we have the SSD. Okay, now normally the inference engine that are available, they load all of the full model inside the GPU, right? But they are not loading all the model inside GPU. They are loading some part inside GPU, some part inside RAM, and some part inside SSD. So whenever any X part is required, they can swap or they can load it into the RAM or GPU. Okay, so let me just show you what actually happens inside the Calibri, and you just see this. Let me just scroll down little bit. Yes, this one. This is the actual hierarchy of the structure. Here you see they have also mentioned that hottest expert, warm expert, and cool experts. Okay, cold expert. So first we will start with this VRAM, then we'll go to the RAM, and then we'll go to the NVMe, which is the SSD. Now let me go to this. So here actually I have prepared this all of you so that you can understand in a simple way. Let's say you are a user and you are asking this question, what is quantum computing, right? Now Calibri actually load some of the experts that user frequently ask the question. Let's say you frequently ask question related to physics, math, and programming. Okay, these are the normal topic that people generally use the AI agent or this TLM 5.2, right? So for math, physics, programming, so they load these actually needed experts inside the GPU. What is GPU? GPU is the VRAM. Okay. Now if you load these experts inside the GPU, then you can actually access this immediately and you can give the answer also immediately. But if user asks a question related to, let's say, any astronomy related question, or let's say any chemistry related question or any law related question, then that are not frequently gets used or frequently people ask question related to that topic. Okay, so they means Calibri kept that topic inside the RAM. Now what Calibri will do, if that question is asked by the user, then they load that experts from RAM to GPU. Okay, so they load from RAM to GPU. Now what what experts will be there inside the SSD? So I am mentioning the experts. Why? Because all of this model GLM 5.2 and all of the popular models, they are the mixture of expert model, right? So they are dividing all of these experts in some inside GPU. There will be some experts inside RAM. There will be some experts inside SSD. There will be some experts. Now let's say user asked a question related to the ancient Sanskrit related question, or let's say a rare medical disease question. They are not frequently asked by the user, but sometimes they asked, because they are actually rarely used question or rarely asked question. That experts will be inside the SSD. Now if user asked that question, then from SSD it will be copied to RAM, and then from RAM to GPU, and from GPU to user. Okay, to generate the answer. Now this is the whole process of this Calibri, sorry, Colibri. Sorry for the pronunciation, Calibri. Now, if you go to this GitHub page here, you will find these hottest experts, warm experts, cold experts like this. Okay. Now, whenever let's say today you are asking question related to programming only. So programming is the hottest experts currently. Okay, today programming is the hottest experts. Now let's say tomorrow you are asking question related to physics, then physics will be the hottest expert for that day. So what will be the now what will be the position for the programming? Programming was the hottest expert for the yesterday, but today is hottest expert physics. So now programming will be the cooler experts. Okay, means Calibri according to the need swap it. Okay, if physics is the hottest expert today, then it will move programming expert to the cooler experts. Okay, and all of the experts that are not that much frequently gets used, they will be in the cold experts. Okay, so I hope you got that idea. Now, in this way, they actually divide this model and it can be fit inside 20 GB laptop. And also, if you just scroll up, here you see uh, what is that? Yes, here you see this is the actually interface. Here you will get this idea. Okay, so means all of the experts that are present, and also here you see what they have written. 744 billion model at 4 token per second. Yes, the speed will be actually reduced based on your laptop size. Means if it is a 25 GB laptop, means space laptop, then it will be 4 token per second. But if you increase the size, then the speed will be also increased. It is a known thing that we all know, but the main thing is that you can run 744 billion model inside a 25 GB VRAM laptop. Okay, and you see that this is the brain page, means all 19,456 experts as a living cortex. Color is the strong tier, brightness is routing heat, and every expert's routed in a turn flashes white. Okay, and however the source experts measure topic affinity. And now if I scroll down below, then you will find the per token path, means how it actually works. And the first one is this route, second one is this union, third one is this place, and the fourth one is overlap, and the fifth one is learn. So here you see every layer of every token works the same 5 steps. The design goal is that placement only over decides speed. The router's decision and the weight precision are the same whether an expert's answer. Okay, let me use the marker. And where am I? Yes, the weights precision are the same whether an expert answer from VRAM or from disk. Okay. So it is actually the router decision that from where it will load the answer, from disk or from VRAM. The same thing that I have already told you, right? Now, if you want to run this GLM 5.2, then they have also released this Hugging Face page for the GLM 5.2 Calibri int 4 with int 8 MTP. So you can actually run this inside the 25 GB VM laptop. They have reduced the size already, and if you don't want to run this, then you have to install this Calibri inside your machine. For Windows, Linux, and Mac, they have this process. Here is you get Calibri, and this is the actual command that you need to run, and you need to build from the source, and otherwise you can get the model from the Hugging Face and you can run it. Okay, so yes, guys, this is the concept. Okay, and I have given all of this link in description. If you have any confusion in your mind, just let me know in the comment section, and please read it. And yes, if you want to get this kind of latest innovation news daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Don't forget to watch the other videos also. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. And one thing, as I don't have the 25 GB space also, because my laptop is only 16 GB space, so that's why I have not been able to set up this inside my machine. But if you have that space, 25 GB VRAM space, then please do the setup and let me know your experience with this in comment section. Okay.